Administration. CTA cum testamento annexo. Administration with the will annexed. Such is granted where a testator makes a will without naming an executor. Administration DBN de bonis non. Administration of an estate in the event that an executor or administrator dies, resigns, is removed, or becomes incompetent. Administration of estate. The management and settlement of the estate of a deceased person who has died intestate or with no named executor for the main purpose of ascertaining, collecting, and caring for the non-exempt assets of the estate, ascertaining the debts of the estate in the manner prescribed by statute, paying all just debts that are duly probated, and distributing remaining assets to the heirs. Administrator. Trix. One who administers a decedent's estate. Admission. Confession, concession, or voluntary acknowledgement made by a party about certain facts, documents, exhibits, etc. Adoption. Legal process granting parental status to a party for the purpose of rearing a child whose natural parents are deceased, unfit, or unwilling to do so. Adult. One who has reached the legal age of majority. Ad valorem. Tax. A tax or duty upon the value of the article or thing subject to taxation. Adversary. A party opponent in a civil action.